everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative. We have a brand new collection to show you today. It is called High Tea. It is absolutely beautiful. It's just a really pretty collection. I'm going to take you through the papers first. This one is called Cup and Saucer, and you can see the beautiful little cups and saucers on there and all of the flowers, so you can build your own little teacup set, and a beautiful background. This one is My Cup of Tea, and you've also got more little florals you can cut out and some cute little tags. And another gorgeous background. This one is Table Setting, and that is the background. This one is Garden Party, and a beautiful background. This one is Afternoon Tea. I love how a little bit grungy this one is, and that's the background. This one is Tea Room, very pretty, and some script there on the back. This one is English Rose, and that is the background. This one here is Good Company. All of those great little fussy cut bits, and that is the background. Of course, we have got our 6x6 collection pack as well. Also releasing some new dies. This one is a Tea Time, and it's this cute little teacup, and that does fit inside there, or you can use them independently. And this one is Time of Day. See, Time of Day, and this is a cute little clock, and this clock does fit perfectly inside of our beautiful lacy circles die, so you can make it more ornate if you want to. We've got the creative cuts for the collection, so all of the beautiful creative cuts and some vellum creative cuts, and these ones also are our adhesive back ones. And we have got a laser cut, which is super fun for all your high tea photos. We also have these beautiful washi elements, and they all just peel off to these individual little flowers. So you can just peel them up and put them down. I don't think I can do it with one hand, but yeah, they're really cute. We have got 4 cut apart sheets this month. We have got our normal one here, our regular one that works with our essential dies 1, 2, and 3. Our mini cut apart sheet, this goes with our card making kit and goes with essential die number 4. This is our watercolor cut apart sheet, and you can color in these beautiful images with all your watercolors. And this is our High Tea mini cut apart sheet, which works with die number 6. So that's the one that cuts out all the little circles. Let me show you some of the projects that the DT have done with this beautiful collection, then I'll show you what is in the kit. So very beautiful. So this is the Time of Day die. This is the Tea Time die. So lots of gorgeous little fun layouts you can do. I love this one. This is on the creative cuts, and again you can see the 2 dies on there. Again in the creative cuts, laser cut. We're a very talented DT. We're very pleased that they can work with us to create such gorgeous projects with our papers. So beautiful. And lucky last. Also, you can make beautiful cards with this collection, of course, with the this is the beautiful little die again. You can see how it layers up. Super fun. These are slimline cards. These are some of our vellum creative cuts that have been adhered down. Really cute. Lots of beautiful fussy cutting, making the card, sorry, get it the right way, with that gorgeous die. There is instructions for these ones in the magazine, and Nairi's made this cute little easel card, and that one's from the magazine too. I'm going to very quickly show you what is in the kit. If you are waiting till the 5th when the kit becomes available, I will show you what you will get inside the kit. So of course you get some of this washi elements, some of our beautiful lace hearts, vellum creative cuts, teal flowers, they have beautiful dimension. Got the regular creative cuts. We have got the mixed keys. These are some of our crystal rhinestones. Some of our perfect sticker sheets in the rose gold, great for titles. Laser cut. The watercolor cut apart sheet. The regular cut apart sheet, upside down, that's better. The magazine, which of course has got all of the layout and card ideas, and the 12 by 12 collection pack. So all of our individual products are available today from the 1st of December, and you'll be able to pick up the kit from the 5th. Thanks guys for watching. Till next time. Bye.